Good morning, YouTube. Well, today Carson and I are at the VIC, which is Visitor Information Center at Paul Smith's College. It's where I went to college and got my associates and my bachelor's, and we're gonna go visit the campus in a little bit. Not sure if we're taking you along, but right now we're gonna go in and check out the exhibits in here and go from there. Okay, we're going Heron Marsh Trail, right? Which one is it?
This one.
That way? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go. Seeing how you're a good reader, you can find the signs and tell me which way to go.
Yep. We could go that way or that way. Which
All right,
one?
well, we can either go downhill or flat.
Up, downhill.
Downhill first? Okay. I don't know what kind of caterpillar that is.
But it's not a Dixie moth one. Okay, so we got the Heron Marsh little pond lake.
It's like this is Heron Marsh. Look at the lily pads are out there. They're all closed up, which no could mean it's going to rain sometime.
I feel like it's going to rain.
Okay, we're going to see this a lot because we're walking the Heron Marsh Trail. Okay, we just got done hiking, I don't know how far, part of the Heron Marsh Trail. Then we cut back on a different trail. And now we're going to head over to the butterfly house and check that out. Then we'll get some lunch.
I'll get a picture of this one right here.
That one? Oh look, there's the pictures of all the other.
All right, so we're at Donnelly's in Lake Clear. And
We have it.
it's like almost 90 degrees out, so this thing is melting super fast.
Yeah. And it's super soft, it's super creamy. It's kind of like a custard almost. The black cherry doesn't.
Now, the thing about Donnelly's is you're buying ice cream. They don't do sundaes, they do cones or dishes. You can buy it by the pint, quarts, whatever. But every day is a different flavor. We're here on a Thursday, and Thursday is Fruit Surprise Day. You can look on their website to find out what flavor of the day, but with the Fruit Surprise, you don't know what it's going to be.
And you don't want to know, so it's a surprise.
Hey, so the red here is red raspberry.
No, it said black cherry, Grandpa.
Did it?
Yeah.
Tastes like raspberry.
Yeah, but they might have fooled us.
It's red raspberry. Anyway, you get it with a twist, so they do have vanilla all the time. But the Lake Clear International Airport, which is Saranac Lake, is that way, just a little ways, and the airport is just up the road here. So this is like on the corner near the airport. A lot of famous people who've come into the Adirondacks will stop here at Donnelly's for ice cream, and so we'll let you know in a minute what we think of it.
Okay.
Obviously, we're eating it pretty quick.
Yeah.
Because it's melting.
Yeah.
And I don't want to get too much of a mess on my table. I came up here to school. I was up here for 4 years, and I worked up here for 3. And this is the first time I've ever been here because they weren't open when I was up here for school, or I was working too far away to come up here for ice cream when another place we're going to go to in a couple days was right down the road. So
We're almost done with it, so we'll see you when we're done in a minute. So you can I'm gonna turn off the camera. Okay, this red button. Okay, so we just finished it. It didn't take us long.
yeah,
So
we got a large, and
it didn't take us very long.
it was
Pretty good.
probably about the same size as a small and a couple of the other places we've already been to.
Yeah.
It was good ice cream.
Yeah.
Was it the best ice cream we've had on this trip? I don't think so.
Almost.
Yeah,
It's
I
at
mean,
least in third place.
right. At the end of this, we'll rank who, like, everybody in this area swears that Donnelly's is the best. It's good. I'm not sure it's the best in the Adirondacks, but it's unique in that every day is a different flavor. Surprises on Thursday, it's a fruit surprise, and on Saturday it's just a surprise. It could be chocolate peanut butter, it could be anything. It's just a surprise.
It could be pickle, it could be
I don't think
pickle
pickle.
garlic.
I don't think so, but so you can come here and you can see 50 people in line. We were lucky. We got here, it's 3:30 in the afternoon on a Thursday, so I
Not many
think probably
people.
after dinner, later in the afternoon, it might get even busier, but anyway, so there you go. We did the Vic, did some hiking, came up here to Donnelly's, and I think that's about it for today. We'll go,
Except we'll play war tonight.
we'll see. And well, we'll see you tomorrow. See where we go. Bye.
Bye.